So, hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 23rd till the 29th of September. And you can take it as messages or guidance or simple plain warnings, not simple plain warnings, like messages, guidance, or warnings as per your as per your situation, as per whatever is going on in your life right now at this present moment. If you are on your spiritual path right now, these messages will help you to overcome the obstacles and challenges that you're facing. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Gemini, let's see the 7 days, 7 messages for you guys from 23rd till the 29th of September. Okay, so on the 23rd of September, we have the rebirth. Okay, on the 23rd, you are going to suddenly realize that there's something that needs to be shifted in your energies in order to go to the next level of your life, because you have been accustomed to be whatever you are or however you are living, to that level of not changing anything. Right now, you are going to realize that something needs to change, something needs to shift in your energies in order to go beyond a certain level. Right, so you are going to change your energies, you are going to feel like a rebirth, and you are going to be in the process of changing your lifestyle, changing your looks, changing your everything. But you will try your best to stay calm, stay in this energy of, okay, this is a change, this is a shift that I have to go through. Let it happen, let it happen. Okay, in this kind of energy, in this kind of dynamic, you're going to be on 23rd. 24th, we have the schizophrenia. So on the 24th of September, you will be in this energy of letting go of a lot of people and situations and things, but you're going to be very confused. You are going to be like, what should I do? Should I let go of this first, or should I let go of that first, or should I do this, or should I do that? So you are going to be in a little bit of confusion kind of energy. So the universe wants to tell you that it's like, so so it's like, you guys have to let go of certain things and people and situation that you know is not good for you anymore, and you have to let go of them or those people or situations immediately, like immediately. Okay, now the third message for you guys for the 25th of September is the lovers. Gemini, in the Rider Waite tarot deck, lovers is the card of Gemini people only. But on the 25th of September, I do see you guys feeling the unconditional love towards everything and everyone, specifically towards those who are close to you, who are helping you, who are like family to you. It's the in this card, the lovers is not the lovers, a lover kind of lover, like a romantic lover. It's the unconditional love, the blessings, and the beautiful energy of feeling love towards every being and towards everything around you. And you're going to feel that kind of love. Or if you're not able to feel that, you should start working on your heart chakra, and you should work on this energy of feeling unconditional love towards everything and everyone, and practicing forgiveness as much as you can, so that you guys can move towards the next chapter of your life with positivity. Okay, now on the 26th of September, we have the We Are the World. So on the 25th and the 26th of September, the universe wants you to understand that you are not alone. As a human, you might be. I don't have any idea. Freaking no idea. Okay. But as a soul, you have a soul family, you have a soul tribe. We all are one as energy. We are energy, right? We all are made of energy. So your energy, my energy, everyone's energy on this planet Earth is actually a cumulative energy, collective energy. Okay. So you need to understand that even if you feel lonely from time to time, there are people, there are situations, there are things that are still with you on a soul level. Okay, and you're not alone. Please try to understand this point. It's a very deep, meaningful energy that I'm trying to message, that I'm trying to convey here. That the moment you're going to feel unconditional love towards people, situation, things outside of your comfort zone, or you might have never done that, but once you start opening up your heart chakra, once you start working on that energies, you will feel like the world is yours. You have like other souls also who are with you all the time continuously. Okay, now the 26th of September, beyond illusion. You will be able to see things, people, and situations for what they are, or you will be able to accept the things and people and situations for what they are and who they are. You will be able to see beyond illusions. Okay, so whatever illusion, whatever bubble you have created for yourself, for some reason you will be able to break that bubble and come out of that bubble. Okay, this is what I'm getting for you guys for 26. Just give me a second. 23, 24, 25, 26. It was for 27. I'm sorry. For 27, we have the beyond illusion. So on the 27th, you will be able to come out of some kind of illusions or delusions, some kind of coming out of bubbles and seeing things, people, and situations for what they are. If not, it is the message that you should do, like should see things like that. Now on the 28th, the rebel in you is coming out. You are going to be like feeling changed by something or someone from a very long time now. On 28th of September, you are going to realize that you can't handle the situation anymore and you have to break free from the situation, and you will be working on that. So people might think you've gone crazy, you have gone crazy, or you're doing something that nobody do or nobody does. You will be in this energy of being the rebel and doing something totally different, breaking the chains and like talking for yourself, taking a like stand for yourself, right? Now on the 29th, we do see traveling. Now in this particular card, the traveling is like foggy. You will not be able to see the clear picture of the path in front of you, but you will be able to see that there is sun at the end of this situation, at the end of this traveling. There is sun is shining bright on you. So the end result of this traveling, whatever you're doing, for some of you it will be literal traveling, for others of you it will be spiritual path, okay, and for others of you it could be something that you are dealing with from a very long time, but you're not able to understand whether you will be able to get the good results or not. So there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Keep traveling, keep going on this path, and you will be able to get success sooner or later in your life. So please keep going, okay? So these are the messages for you guys for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.